Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my channel. How are you all? I hope my all friends are good. God bless you and always be happy. So friends, in this video I am providing gorgeous and trending crochet ideas. So don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end. These blankets designs are so stunning and unique. I hope you love all these articles. So viewers, share the video with your friends and family who want crochet ideas. I really hope that they will love these articles. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different colors. In this video, you will see different colors and different decent and unique blankets designs. You can design your blankets with using these ideas. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass crochet blankets collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new designs and new ideas related to crochet blankets. You know guys, crochet things represent our cultural beauty. These articles used for home. If you all love these articles and if you want more crochet designs ideas, so like my video and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Be connected with me and remember me in your prayers. See you soon friends. Allah Hafiz.